This is a video on mathematics for the students of class 10 and we were discussing about mensuration. Today we'll be discussing the last exercise on this chapter and this is the 7th part of the video. So the first sum of discussion today is the diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The sphere is melted and drawn into a wire of a uniform cross section and the length of the wire given is 36 meter. Now remember the length of the wire, because they have stated wire, so they have not prescribed any shape. So we know that the wire somewhat looks like cylindrical in shape. So they have given us the height of the wire, but we need to find out its radius. So this is how your cylinder looks like. Okay, and we need to find out the radius. They have given us height, which is 36 meters. So we know that diameter of the metallic sphere is 6 centimeters. So its radius will be half of the diameter, that is 3. Now volume of the sphere will be equal to the volume of wire because the entire figure has been melted to form a wire. Out of this metallic sphere we have formed a wire. So you have 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 36 pi centimeter cube. Now let r be the radius of the wire because we don't know the value of the radius. Since we know that the volume of sphere is equal to that of the wire, so we can use 36 pi will be the volume of the wire also. So we can use it in the formula of the cylinder. So pi r square h. So when you put down the values, you get r square is equal to 1 by 100. So your radius will be 1 by 10, which is equal to 1 millimeter. Next sum, we have a rectangular water tank of base 11 meters into 6 meter, which contains a water to a height of 5 meters. Now if the water in the tank is transferred to a cylindrical tank of radius 3.5 meters, okay, and the height of the water level in the tank we need to find out. That means we have a rectangular water tank whose length and breadth is given and height is also given. So we can find out the volume of the water in the rectangular tank, which is length into breadth into height, that is 330 meters cube. Now we need to find out the amount of water that has been we need to actually find out the height of the water level. That means volume of water in the rectangular tank will be equal to the volume of the cylindrical tank because water from the rectangular tank has been transferred to the cylindrical tank. That means both will have the same volume. Now we know that the formula for the cylindrical tank is pi r square h. We know all the values. We know the radius of the cylindrical tank also, which is 3.5 centimeter. So when you put in the values, it comes to 330 because we have found the volume of the rectangular tank, which is equal to that of the cylinder. So it comes to 330, which is equal to pi r square, radius into radius, and h we need to find out. So your height will be 4 by 7 meters. Next question, we have the volume of a cone, which is same as that of the cylinder and whose height is 9 centimeter and diameter is 40. So we need to find out the radius of the base of the cone and its height given is 108 centimeter. Since we know that the volume of cone and volume of the cylinder is same, that means volume of cone is equal to that of the cylinder. So the height given of cylinder is 9 centimeter and its diameter is 40. So your radius will be 20. Volume of cylinder you can find out using the formula. You will get 3600 pi. That means 3600 pi centimeter cube is the volume of cone also. So just put the value formula of volume of cone. You will get 100 centimeter as your answer and this comes to r, that is 10 centimeter. So this is all we have from the video today. Thank you.